Otudo que gel exercise. Incorporating que gel exercise into your daily routine can help bar of pelvic floor problem, including urinary and fecal incontinence, and it can also improve your sex life. To do que gel exercise, you'll need to isolate the pelvic floor, 10 scales and relax your pelvic muscles can on a daily basis to be upstrunt. Men can also strengthen their pelvic floor muscle by doing PC muscle exercise. Preparing to do que gel exercise. Fin your pelvic muscle by stopping the flow of your urine midstream. Before you do your que gel exercise, important to fin your pelvic muscle. The art muscle ta form the floor of your pelvic floor. The most common way to fin them is to try to stop the flow of your urine midstream. Tightening it basic move of a que gel. Let those muscles go and resume the flow of urine and you have a better sense of where those que gel are. Just remember to say doctor before you begin your que gel exercise if you have a medical problem tam prevent you from doing que gel safely. Ove, don't stop urinating midstream a your regular que gel exercise routine. Doing que gel will urinating can actually have the opposite effect, weakening the muscle. If you still have trouble finding your que gel, place your finger in your vagina and squeeze your muscle. You should feel the muscle tightening on your pelvic floor move up. Relaxant you'll feel the pelvic floor move back again. Make sure your finger is clean before you insert it into your vagina. If you are sexually active woman, you can also ask your partner if can feel you hugging penny and letting go during sex. Use a mirror to find your que gel. If you're still having trouble locating or isolating your que gel, place a mirror below your perineum, which it can covered area between your vagina and your anus. Practice squeezing and relaxing while you think your que gel muscle. If you do it correctly, you should see your perineum contracting with a squeeze. Make sure you have an anti-blade before you begin your que gel. T important. You don't want to do your que gel with a full or a partially full blade, or you may experience pain while you do your que gel, avec some leakage. Before you start your exercise routine, do a blade check so you can perform those exercises as efficiently as possible. Concentrate on only tightening your pelvic floor muscle. Your que gel exercise should focus on those muscles only, so you should avoid flexing the muscles, such as your buttock, thigh, or your abdomen, for best reçu. To help your concentration and efficiency of your movement, make sure you breathe in and out as you perform a set of que gel, instead of holding your breath. It will help you relax and get the most out of your pelvic floor exercise. On way to keep your muscle relaxed is to place on your belly to make sure that your belly is relaxed. If your back or belly is shabby after you complete a set of que gel exercise, then an indication that you're not doing them correctly. Get into a comfortable position. You can do those exercises at sitting in a chair or lying on the floor. Make sure your buttock and tummy muscles are relaxed. If you are lying down, then you should be flat on your back with your arm and your side and your knee up and jeté. Keep your head down, to avoid straining your neck. Do un que gel exercise. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscle for 5 seconds. When you're just starting off, agree exercise. You don't want to strain those muscles too much by squeezing them for too long. If 5 even too long for you, you can begin by squeezing those muscles for just 2-3 seconds. Roll your muscle for 10 seconds. Ideally, you should always give those pelvic floor muscle a 10 second break before your repeat exercise. Give them an ultime to relaxant to avoid strain. Count to 10 before you begin the next repetition. Repeat exercise 10 time. Can be considered on set of que gel. If you started off by squeezing those muscles for 5 seconds, then squeeze them for 5 seconds, relax them for 10, and repeat exercise 10 time. Ti schuld beannog kogel for on tim en you schuld dot sam set of ten 3-4 timade, buno mort. Biltovarske using your pelvic floor muscle for 10 seconds à tim. You can increase tamu of second a yuske tos muscle éveik. Turn on ei to do tem for en ilongé, or to do mort en on set of tem per tim. 11 Youvery Ached Magic B of 10 seconds, stick to it, en continue to do on set of 10 seconds the 3-4 timade. Dopuline que gel. Ti y a noté variation honte que gel. To perform apuline que gel, think of your pelvic floor muscle à vacuum. Tense your buto camp your leg up en in. Holti position for 5 seconds antenne rolls it. Doti diti minaro. Itchul takabou 50 secondes ou complète. Jetin reçu. Perform your que gel exercice à liste 3-4 timade. If you really want them to stick, then you have to make them part of your daily routine. 3-4 timade should be doable, avec que gel session ou on last very long, en you can fin way of fitting que gel into your daily routine. You can into do them in morning, afternoon, en evening so begin to do them like clockwork, instead of varying a bouche du ligne à tim to do your que gel. Fi que gel into your busy routine. Te best par à boudouin que gel ita you can do them we to anion knowing. You can do them while you're sitting at your desk in your office, having lunch with your friend, or just relaxing on te couche after a long day at work. To going down en isolating your que gel en focusing ari important for beginner, 11 you jet temps of isolating tos muscles, you can do your que gel almost any anytime. You can even make a habit of doing them during a routine activity, such as checking your my. 11 you've found that set of que gel exercise ta work for you, you should stick to your routine instead of doing even more que gel, or doing them more strenuously. If you overdo it, you may suffer from straining when you have to urinate or move your bowel. Justrement bêta, while stopping urination midstream agree to look at your que gel. You should know actually do your que gel routinely while urinating or you may suffer problem associated with incontinence. Expect reçu inaffement if you do que gel regularly. For some women, te reçu are dramatique, for terre, que gel prevent furté urinary tract problem. Some women get frustrated because te do que gel for a FVI quand d'en fait l'en i différence. Stick with it long en to felt change in your body. According to the National Institute of Health, ni, you may be able to feel reçu a early after 4-6 week. Ask for help if you don't think you're doing que gel properly. Your doctor can help you identify and isolate the correct muscle to perform the exercise. If you feel like you've been doing que gel for a considerable amount of time, such as a month, and have seen no reçu, then you should seek help from your doctor. What your doctor can do for you. If necessary, your doctor can provide biofeedback training. It involve placing a monitoring device inside your vagina, en electrode externally. The monitor can tell you how successful you've been contracting your pelvic floor muscle and how long you've able to hold the contraction. A doctor can also use electrical stimulation to help you identify the pelvic floor muscle. During the process, a small electrical current adds to the pelvic floor muscle. When activated, the current automatically contract the muscle. After some use, you'll most likely be able to reproduce the effect on your own. Continue doing your que gel if you want to keep incontinence bas. If you want to keep those muscles strong and to keep incontinence away, then you have to continue doing your que gel. If you stop them, even after month of exercise, your incontinence problem will return. You'll have to work to keep those muscles in shape and should be ready for the coming.